Well, welcome to another installment of Building a Neat Model. This isn't a paper model, but this is a balsa flying model. It's called an Austin Ball, and it's basically plans I downloaded from a site. And here are the plans, what they look like. It's a neat little airplane called a peanut scale, 13-inch wingspan, all made out of balsa. And the original kit came with all the balsa you needed. In this case, what you do is just make your own kit out of balsa you buy from the hobby store. So I started by making little kit parts. I made little wheels or landing gear. I've stripped wood and made wood for the leading edges and the main wing spars here. I've stripped a whole bunch of 1/16 strip to make strips that are going to be for all of the fuselage parts and tail parts, or most of them. I've made one change in that I've decided, it has a very small fin in the real airplane, really small, and I think it'll be unstable. So what I've done is made a slightly bigger tail fin. The kit shows a little acetate, clear acetate extension for stability, which I might end up doing anyway, but I'm going to try to just make this a little bigger and hope that works. The other thing I'm going to try to do with this airplane is it had no dihedral in the real airplane. I'm going to try to make it so there's no dihedral and see if I can still make it fly. Anyway, these are the basic parts, and again, what I have bought is a whole bunch of just balsa from the hobby store. 1/32 and 1/16 strip, and you got to pick it carefully because it's very heavy, the stuff you get in the hobby store these days, but you can find some pretty good ones. And I'll end up gluing these pieces, paper down onto the balsa, and just cut everything out carefully, and we can start assembling it just with some regular old Titebond glue. We'll see how it goes.